So I'm on this flight and wanted to get to you guys before I get to my destination and talk a little bit about unlocking joy and embracing the power of choosing happiness. So let's talk about happiness for a little bit. In a world where everything seems beyond our control, remember that happiness is the one thing that you actually have the power to choose. And here's the secret. It's not a destination, it's not a person, it's not a thing. It's a decision that we actually make every single day. It's about embracing the moment and finding the small things throughout the day that you can actually position into a positive manner. So focus on gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things that you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a delicious cup of coffee or a smile from a loved one. Practice being mindful. Be fully present in the moment and pay attention to the beauty around you. The birds chirping, the flowers blooming. There's so much to appreciate if you actually take time to notice. Surround yourself with positivity. Choose to spend time with people that add to your life, that uplift you and inspire you. Fill your life with positive energy and let go of negativity. Be kind to yourself most importantly and treat yourself with compassion and love because you matter and you are important. And not everybody's going to see your greatness, but you can realize your own. Remember that you deserve happiness just as much as anybody else. So think about it this way. Unlocking happiness is not always easy, but with effort